There's one thing every human has in common: they need to feel superior. It drives their decisions more than logic, more than facts, and if you know how to use it, you can make them believe anything. We crave superiority. It's addictive, and the craving can be used to implant any thought. Frame it as the belief held by the most intelligent, rational people. Make it seem like something only fools would reject. Once they associate that belief with being smart, their brain locks it in. That's why the media frames questioning as ignorance and compliance as intelligence. Those who follow are seen as informed, while skeptics are painted as idiots, and, once a belief is tied to intelligence, rejecting it feels like admitting you're inferior, and no one wants to be the fool. Color priming is the most underestimated manipulation tactic ever. Colors directly affect our subconscious and thereby influence our decisions, behavior, and even thoughts. Here's how to use it. In sales, use red and orange for immediate action and blue for trust. To gain power and status, use black for authority and purple for exclusivity. Green builds trust and calmness, while yellow captures attention. If you want someone to think more logically and study better, use blue. To make someone more aggressive and push them into quick decisions, use red. White conveys innocence and credibility, and now it gets deeper. Dark gray and black evoke feelings of uncertainty and fear, useful for asserting dominance. Cold blue and white create an emotionally distant atmosphere, ideal for making someone feel unsettled.
You see yourself as a good person just like everyone else. This universal trait makes us so easy to manipulate, and it all happens in just 5 simple steps. If you want someone to believe anything, frame it as the morally right choice. Being good is part of our identity and we need to stay consistent with it. Rejecting a good idea creates internal conflict, so the brain forces alignment. It works in 5 steps. Paint the opposing side as evil so that anything they do feels morally wrong. Tie your idea to values people already see as good. Make disagreement feel like moral failure. Show that the good people already agree. And finally, not agreeing must make you feel guilty. The media uses this all the time. Let me know examples of it in the comments.